More efforts tonight to support those men and women on the front lines of the coronavirus. Law enforcement, firefighters, doctors, nurses, essential workers are putting in a lot of hours. And now they're getting more help to make sure their focus can be on their jobs and not the stresses at home. Megan McRoberts reports.
Well, many essential employees like firefighters don't have the liberty of being home with their children while they are out of school. So instead of making them scramble to find something to do with their children, St. Lucie County says they at least have that much handled. The coronavirus is shaking up everyone's day-to-day life. But first responders, medical professionals, government workers are still reporting to work. And now they're getting some help to make working a little easier.
One less thing for them to worry about.
Will Armstead with the Boys and Girls Club of St. Lucie County says childcare will be handled.
First responders, police, firefighters, they still have to put those things out. They still have to make sure they're keeping law and order. They need some places where their kids can go.
There's an issue. We know that there's a challenge, so we're trying to meet that challenge head on.
Commissioner Chris Zadofsky worked to secure a $100,000 grant from the Morgridge Family Foundation. The money will go to a COVID-19 Rapid Response Fund with the Community Foundation of Martin and St. Lucie. It will cover the costs of child care through the Boys and Girls Club of St. Lucie County. It also keeps Boys and Girls Club staff employed and keeps the county running smoothly.
Making sure that we have 2 of our staff with 8 kids in the right amount of distance. And we're going over and beyond with that to make sure they even have more distance.
This also makes sure children of essential employees have someone to help them log on to virtual school starting Monday statewide. The $100,000 provides about a month's worth of child care, but with the uncertainty of how long coronavirus will be a concern.
That depends on how far coronavirus wants to linger on. If it stays long, we're going to need more support.
We rise above, and the citizens of this community have always done that. It's a little emotional today because this is important for us to get it right.
And the county says community members and business owners can chip in and sponsor a child for child care. That can extend how long these services will be free for first responders. I'm Megan McRoberts. Back to you.